like to talk a little bit now about fire starters. Of course, you can always have a box of matches or a lighter. There are waterproof matches that are available. There's even windproof matches that are available. Those burn very hot and very fast. But I get a lot of people coming in looking for fancy survival fire starters. A common one is this block of magnesium. Basically what you do is you take your knife and you scrape off some of the magnesium into a pile. Some cattail fluff or even some dryer lint. What you do then is take the knife and drag it across a striker. There you go. And it burns very hot. Of course, we have some new ones that are a little easier to use. They use a vegetable oil paraffin mix and some rare earth metals and magnesium. And basically, you take your tinder, crush it up, and hit it with some sparks. And off it goes. You can see you get a little bit of easier spark right there. If you have any questions on starting a fire, give your outfitter a holler.